Improved Flood Forecasting AI Model. Google Research has developed an improved flood forecasting AI model, now available to researchers and partners. This new model offers a 7-day lead time with accuracy comparable to previous 5-day lead times, effectively gaining 2 days in prediction reliability. It expands coverage to 100 countries with verified data and up to 150 countries using virtual gauges. AI 2027 Scenario Prediction. A research effort involving approximately 25 tabletop exercises and feedback from over 100 experts has produced a scenario-type prediction on how AI could transform the world by 2027. The research explores potential future AI agents and the rapid progress in AI, including the concept of AI making research progress faster than humans. Measuring AI ability to complete long tasks. Research indicates that the length of tasks AI agents can complete autonomously with 50% reliability has been doubling approximately every 7 months for the past 6 years. This metric, which measures AI performance in terms of task length as measured by human professionals, suggests that AI agents could independently complete a large fraction of software tasks currently taking humans days or weeks within a decade. Impact of AI on developer productivity. A randomized controlled trial studying the impact of 2025 AI tools on experienced open-source developers found that, surprisingly, developers took 19% longer when using AI tools compared to not using them. This study highlights the challenges in translating AI benchmark scores to real-world usefulness and the potential for AI to slow down certain development tasks. MLE Bench for evaluating ML engineering agents. A new benchmark called MLE Bench has been introduced, consisting of 75 offline Kaggle competitions designed to evaluate the machine learning engineering capabilities of AI agents. Large-scale evaluations using this benchmark reveal new insights into the prospects and limitations of state-of-the-art models and agent frameworks in ML engineering tasks. Speaker 2, NVIDIA has made several significant announcements in the past 24 hours, primarily focusing on AI and robotics. The company unveiled new AI models and technologies designed to accelerate the development of smarter, more adaptable robots, including humanoids and self-driving vehicles. Key announcements include NVIDIA Isaac GR00TN1, described as the world's first open-source, fully customizable generalist foundation model for humanoid robot brains. This AI-driven system is designed to enable robots to learn tasks, make decisions, and adapt with unprecedented efficiency. GR00T Blueprint, a tool for generating synthetic data, which has been shown to generate 780,000 synthetic trajectories equivalent to 6,500 hours of human demonstration data in just 11 hours, significantly improving robot accuracy. Newton, an open-source physics engine developed in collaboration with Google DeepMind and Disney, specifically designed for developing robots and enhancing robotic motion. NVIDIA Cosmos World Foundation Model, a major release of new models with customizable reasoning for physical AI development and world generation. These models empower developers to create virtual training grounds for robots in simulated environments. These announcements were made at GTC 2025, where NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang highlighted the age of generalist robotics and the inflection point for artificial intelligence. Additionally, NVIDIA announced a partnership with General Motors for self-driving cars. Separately, NVIDIA also announced a partnership with the United Kingdom to build the nation's AI infrastructure and ecosystem, aiming to scale up 300,000 NVIDIA Grace Blackwell GPUs worldwide, with up to 60,000 GPUs in the UK. This initiative, unveiled 3 months after a collaboration announcement between UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer and Jensen Huang, will involve building AI factories with up to 120,000 NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs and up to £11 billion for local data center.
NVIDIA has made several significant announcements in the past 24 hours, primarily focusing on AI and robotics. The company unveiled new AI models and technologies designed to accelerate the development of smarter, more adaptable robots, including humanoids and self-driving vehicles. Key announcements include NVIDIA Isaac GR00TN1, described as the world's first open-source, fully customizable generalist foundation model for humanoid robot brains. This AI-driven system is designed to enable robots to learn tasks, make decisions, and adapt with unprecedented efficiency. GR00T Blueprint, a tool for generating synthetic data which has been shown to generate 780,000 synthetic trajectories equivalent to 6,500 hours of human demonstration data in just 11 hours, significantly improving robot accuracy. Newton, an open-source physics engine developed in collaboration with Google DeepMind and Disney, specifically designed for developing robots and enhancing robotic motion. NVIDIA Cosmos World Foundation Models, a major release of new models with customizable reasoning for physical AI development and world generation. These models empower developers to create virtual training grounds for robots in simulated environments. These announcements were made at GTC 2025, where NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang highlighted the age of generalist robotics and the inflection point for artificial intelligence. Additionally, NVIDIA announced a partnership with General Motors for self-driving cars. Separately, NVIDIA also announced a partnership with the United Kingdom to build the nation's AI infrastructure and ecosystem, aiming to scale up 300,000 NVIDIA Grace Blackwell GPUs worldwide, with up to 60,000 GPUs in the UK. This initiative, unveiled 3 months after a collaboration announcement between UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer and Jensen Huang, will involve building AI factories with up to 120,000 NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs and up to £11 billion for local data centers.
Samsung has benchmarked the real productivity of enterprise AI models. OpenAI and NVIDIA are planning a $100 billion chip deal for the future of AI. Discussions are ongoing regarding governing the age of agentic AI, focusing on balancing autonomy and accountability. Huawei is planning to make thousands of AI chips function as one computer. Generative AI in retail is seeing adoption, but it comes with a high security cost. Data quality is highlighted as key to AI-driven growth by Martin Frederick of Snowflake. The public trust deficit is a major hurdle for AI growth. TechX Europe 2025 will offer practical learnings for AI leaders. Christian Spindel-Dreher of Dell Technologies discussed powering AI at scale. There was news about Trump joking about AI while the US and UK signed a new tech deal. Other relevant AI research and benchmarks, not strictly within the past 7 days or from Intel.com, but related to the query. Research or AI scenario predictions for 2020 SEM explores key questions about future AI agents and includes predictions on inference scaling and AI chip export controls. Intel VL3-78B has achieved a new state-of-the-art score of 72.9 on the MMMU benchmark among open-source models, demonstrating superior performance across various multimodal tasks. Agent Founder, a deep research agent model, has achieved state-of-the-art performance on 10 benchmarks, including 39.9% on BrowseConf Nhelm, 43.3% on BrowseConf Age, and 31.5% Pass1 on HLE. WebWatcher has significantly outperformed proprietary baselines, RAG workflows, and open-source agents in 4 challenging VQA benchmarks. Research indicates that the length of tasks AI agents can complete has been consistently exponentially increased over the past 6 years, with a doubling time of around 7 months. This trend suggests that AI agents could independently complete a large fraction of software tasks that currently take humans days or weeks within a decade.
Intel has been in the news for developments in AI and GPUs. On September 27, 2025, reports indicated that Intel is developing a low-power GPU specifically optimized for artificial intelligence, intended to complement its upcoming Jaguar Shores lineup. This strategic move aims to create chips tailored for AI, particularly for inference and edge applications where efficiency and a balance between power use and performance are crucial. Additionally, a report from September 26, 2025, mentioned Intel's plans to increase prices for its 13th-gen CPUs. This article also referenced a partnership announced on September 18, 2025 between Intel and NVIDIA. This collaboration involves jointly developing custom data center and PC products, including Intel x80 RTX SoCs, that will integrate NVIDIA RTX GPU chiplets.
Within the past 24 hours, TSMC has made several announcements and been part of significant news related to AI and chips. TSMC announced a major advancement with its new 1.0 nanometer class A14 process, detailing significant gains in performance and power efficiency. This technology is expected to enter mass production by 2028. The company also unveiled AI-designed chips aimed at reducing energy consumption, indicating a direct application of AI in their chip development. Furthermore, TSMC is reportedly in discussions with NVIDIA regarding the production of AI chips in Arizona.
Apple has been actively involved in several developments across AI, GPU, and robotics, artificial intelligence, AI. Apple is reportedly testing a ChatGPT-like iPhone application, internally codenamed Veritas, as part of a significant overhaul for Siri. This app allows employees to test new AI-driven features, including searching personal data and performing in-app actions. With the new Siri powered by large language models under the codename Linwood expected to launch as early as March next year. The company is also planning a visually redesigned Siri assistant for iPhones and iPads, set to debut as early as 2026. Furthermore, Apple is addressing a class action lawsuit concerning delayed Apple Intelligence features, specifically personal context awareness and in-app controls, which were promised for iPhone 16 handsets. iOS 26, previewed earlier this year, introduces AI-generated spatial scenes and advanced widget integration, with Apple's foundation models framework enabling developers to integrate sophisticated AI directly onto user devices. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max feature an updated photonic engine that leverages machine learning for improved photography, and their new A19 and A19 Pro chipsets include neural accelerators for more powerful generative AI models. Macs are also increasingly being adopted in enterprise environments for AI applications. Graphics Processing Units (GPU). The A19 and A19 Pro chips, found in the iPhone 17 generation, have upgraded GPU cores that now incorporate neural accelerators in both Pro and non-Pro versions. The upcoming M5 chip, anticipated for the Vision Pro 2 and potentially new MacBooks, is expected to feature an increased number of GPU cores, possibly a 12-core GPU, and enhanced neural engine performance for AI tasks. Robotics. Apple is reportedly developing a pipeline of AI robots for the home, including a desktop robot with a motorized arm and a display, as well as AI-powered security cameras, with launches projected between 2026 and 2027. The company is also making substantial investments in robotics and automation for manufacturing, committing $500 billion to domestic AI and supercomputers to drive robotics innovation. However, Apple has recently seen its lead AI robotics researcher depart to join Meta, contributing to an ongoing exodus of AI talent. Cloud. While not a new launch or release, there were reports in June 2025 of widespread iCloud outages that affected services such as iCloud Photos, Find My, and Mail. Additionally, Apple is engaged in a legal battle with the UK over a request for an iCloud backdoor under the Investigatory Powers Act, which led to the disabling of Advanced Data Protection (ADP) for UK users in February 2020.
Microsoft has been involved in several significant developments related to AI, cloud, and GPU technologies. Cloud and AI services termination. Microsoft has disabled cloud computing and AI services for an Israeli military intelligence unit, Unit 8200, following an investigation that found the technology was being used for mass surveillance of Palestinian civilians. This decision came after a Guardian investigation and internal pressure within Microsoft. Major UK AI investment. Microsoft announced a substantial $30 billion investment in the UK's AI infrastructure. This includes plans for the construction of the UK's largest AI supercomputer, which will incorporate over 23,000 NVIDIA GPUs, in collaboration with Nscale. Integration of Anthropic AI models. Microsoft is expanding its AI strategy by integrating Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 4 and Opus 4.0 models into its 365 Copilot. This move provides users with an alternative to OpenAI's models and signifies a shift towards a multi-model AI approach. AI-powered photo organization. Microsoft has rolled out a new AI feature in its Photos app that automatically sorts receipts, screenshots, identity documents, and handwritten notes into dedicated folders, aiming to streamline photo management for users. New cloud and AI marketplace. Microsoft launched a new marketplace that unifies Azure Marketplace and Microsoft AppSource. This platform serves as a centralized source for various cloud solutions, AI applications, and agents from both Microsoft and its partners. Advanced GPU cooling technology. Microsoft successfully tested an innovative in-chip microfluidic cooling system designed to remove heat from GPUs up to 3 times more efficiently than traditional cold plates. This advancement could significantly improve the performance and sustainability of next-generation AI chips.
Towards better health conversations. Research insights on a wayfinding AI agent based on Gemini. September 25, 2025. AfriMed-QA, benchmarking large language models for global health. September 24, 2025. Time series foundation models can be few-shot learners. September 23, 2025. Deep researcher with test time diffusion. September 19, 2025.
On May 7, 2025, Amazon launched Vulkan, its first AI-powered warehouse robot equipped with a sense of touch. This development is expected to impact both tech stocks and AI-focused cryptocurrencies. Additionally, on September 18, 2025, Amazon unveiled an AI agent for third-party merchants at its annual Accelerate conference. This new tool expands its seller assistant platform by giving the software agentic capabilities, allowing it to take actions on behalf of sellers. This AI agent is powered by Amazon's Bedrock platform, integrating large language models from Amazon, Anthropic, and OpenAI. Furthermore, Amazon announced on September 19, 2025, that it will invest $4 billion in the artificial intelligence company Anthropic, intensifying competition with Microsoft in the AI field. This investment follows Amazon's previous statements about using AI to support its Alexa voice assistance service. In other news, Amazon announced on August 5, 2025, that OpenAI's new open-weight AI models, GPT-RSS-120B and GPT-RSS-20B, will be available for the first time on its AWS platform. This allows customers to use these models through Amazon Bedrock and Amazon SageMaker AI to build AI applications. Finally, as of September 27, 2025, Amazon is undergoing leadership changes in its artificial general intelligence division, but remains focused on AI work, with nearly $8 billion invested in Anthropic and the use of its Claude AI model in products like Alexa. Amazon has made several significant announcements and developments in the AI and robotics sectors within the past 24 hours. On May 7, 2025, Amazon launched Vulkan, its inaugural AI-powered warehouse robot featuring a sense of touch. This innovation is anticipated to influence both technology stocks and AI-centric cryptocurrencies. Further expanding its AI capabilities, Amazon unveiled an AI agent for third-party merchants on September 18, 2025, during its annual Accelerate conference. This agent, integrated into the Seller Assistant platform and powered by Amazon's Bedrock, can perform tasks on behalf of sellers, leveraging large language models from Amazon, Anthropic, and OpenAI. In a move to bolster its position in the AI landscape, Amazon announced on September 19, 2025, a $4 billion investment in the artificial intelligence company Anthropic, intensifying its rivalry with Microsoft in this domain. This investment aligns with Amazon's strategy to enhance its Alexa voice assistance service with AI. Additionally, on August 5, 2025, Amazon revealed that OpenAI's new open-weight AI models, GPT-RSS-120B and GPT-RSS-20B, would be accessible on its AWS platform. This integration enables customers to utilize these models via Amazon Bedrock and Amazon SageMaker AI for developing AI applications. As of September 27, 2025, Amazon's Artificial General Intelligence division is experiencing leadership changes. Despite this, the company maintains a strong focus on AI, evidenced by its substantial investment in Anthropic and the incorporation of the Claude AI model into products such as Alexa.
Meta unveiled ambitious plans to develop an open, licensable software platform for robotics, aiming to create an Android of robotics. This initiative shifts Meta's focus from proprietary hardware to building a foundational AI platform for humanoid and service robots, including the development of a world model for dexterous manipulation. AI-powered smart glasses. At Meta Connect 2025, Meta introduced 3 new AI-powered smart glasses: an upgraded Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2, the Oakley Meta Vanguard designed for athletes, and the Ray-Ban Display, which features a built-in high-resolution screen and neural band control. AI-powered video feed. Vibes. Meta launched Vibes, a new AI-powered video feed available on the Meta AI app and Meta.ai website, enabling users to create and share AI-generated short-form videos. Updated AI chatbot guidelines. An internal document from Meta surfaced, detailing updated guidelines for its AI chatbot to prevent child exploitation, following recent scrutiny from the Federal Trade Commission (FTC). Additionally, there have been reports of Meta engaging in discussions with Google regarding the potential use of Google's Gemini and Gemma AI models to enhance Meta's ad targeting and content understand capabilities, although Meta has denied collaboration on ads. Oracle is also reportedly pursuing a $20 billion multi-year cloud computing deal with Meta to provide computing power for AI model training and deployment. Furthermore, Meta plans to launch paid, ad-free versions of Facebook and Instagram in the UK, similar to its offering in the EU, to comply with data privacy regulations.
Google has released updated versions of its Gemini 2.5 Flash and 2.5 Flash Lite models. These updates, available on Google AI Studio and Vertex AI, focus on improving quality and efficiency. Key enhancements include better instruction following, reduced verbosity for more concise answers, stronger multimodal and translation capabilities, and improved agentic tool use. On September 27, 2025, OpenAI launched GDPval, a new benchmark designed to measure the performance of AI models on real-world knowledge work. This benchmark covers 44 professions across 9 major industries. Additionally, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang discussed an expanded partnership with OpenAI to build OpenAI's first self-built AI infrastructure, involving collaboration at the chip, software, and systems levels. On September 25, 2025, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT Pulse and announced more ways to work with your team and tools in ChatGPT, both product-related updates. They also published information on measuring the performance of our models on real-world tasks.
Anthropic has recently made its models, including Claude Sonnet 4 and Claude Opus 4.1, available in Microsoft Copilot Studio, with the rollout beginning on September 24, 2020.
Google AI Edge SDK. This SDK provides experimental access for developers to integrate on-device AI capabilities, specifically using Gemini Nano, into their applications. It focuses on efficiency and privacy by executing prompts locally on devices like the Pixel 9 series. Use cases include text rephrasing, smart reply, proofreading, and summarization. The SDK utilizes AI Core, a system-level module accessed via APIs with built-in safety features. Gemini Robotics ER 1.5. Currently in preview, this is a vision language model (VLM) that extends Gemini's agentic capabilities to robotics. It enables robots to interpret complex visual data, perform spatial reasoning, and plan actions from natural language commands. It can decompose complex tasks into subtasks and execute them by calling existing robot functions or generated code. Vercel AI SDK. This is a free, open-source TypeScript library designed for building AI-powered products. It offers a unified provider API, allowing developers to switch between AI providers easily. It supports generative UI and streaming AI responses and is framework agnostic, working with React, Next.js, Vue, Nuxt, SvelteKit, and more. Texas Instruments Robotics SDK Edge AI Processors. This SDK provides our ROS-based robotics software development environment for TI's Edge AI processors E.G, AM72A, TDA4VM. It includes software building blocks and example demos operating within Docker container environments. It supports open-source deep learning runtimes and various sensor driver nodes for cameras and radar. Advantech Edge AI SDK. This comprehensive toolset aims to simplify Edge AI deployment. It offers pre-configured hardware and optimized software for cost-effective LLM customization, toolkit compatibility, and managing large-scale edge deployments. It includes GenAI Studio for creating custom LLMs, an inference kit for optimizing AI runtimes on embedded OSs, and an orchestration platform for managing AI model updates. It supports various AI frameworks like NVIDIA CUDA and TensorRT, Intel OpenVINO, and AMD ROC-Sum.
Artificial intelligence AI and large language models, LLMs. Discussions around the ChatGPT-5 system prompt have been noted on Reddit. Spotify has unveiled new AI safeguards. Additionally, Qatar Airways Group introduced SAMA, an AI-powered virtual assistant, augmented reality AR, and spatial technology. A research paper introduces spatial competition through an autoregressive continuous distributed ARCD process in intercity generation distribution models within a quasi-direct format, QDF. The QDF dataset, used in facial recognition research, includes various head poses in unconstrained settings. Other notable introductions. Qatar Duty-Free QDF has unveiled 30sexQ, a groundbreaking data-sharing platform accessible to its partners from January 1, 2025. Other announcements include the pricing for the ROG Xbox Ally and the unveiling of the OnePlus 15.
Evaluating deep AI research systems on the frontiers of scientific inquiry. RxIV. This paper introduces Researcher Bench, a benchmark for evaluating deep AI research systems (DARs) on frontier AI scientific questions. It highlights that leading commercial Rs, like OpenAI Deep Research and Gemini Deep Research, significantly outperform other systems, particularly in open-ended consulting questions, representing a step towards AI self-improvement. AI for Research, a survey of artificial intelligence for scientific research. RxIV. This survey explores the application of AI, especially large language models, in scientific research. It aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of AI for research, offering a systematic taxonomy and identifying future research directions. Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, Electrical Engineering and Computer Science. Science. The Artificial Intelligence and Robotics AIR group at Oregon State studies theory, algorithms, and systems for intelligent decision-making in complex environments. Their research covers various aspects of AIR, including perception, learning, automated planning, and human-AI interaction, with applications in intelligent wheelchairs, ocean exploration, and medical fields. New AI system could accelerate clinical research. MIT News. MIT researchers have developed an AI-based system to rapidly segment medical images, which can accelerate clinical research by enabling quick annotation of areas of interest. This tool allows users to segment entire datasets without repeating work for each image and does not require pre-segmented datasets or machine learning expertise. Artificial Intelligence. AI Research. Caltech Science Exchange. Caltech scientists are at the forefront of AI research, expanding its boundaries and exploring its societal impacts. They focus on how AI can advance discovery and technology and how it is incorporated into everyday life.
Looks like you made it. That's all for today's tech news. Thanks for listening.